Prime Minister Andrew Holness has shied away from stating whether he wants buggery to be decriminalized in Jamaica. The Prime Minister indicated on Monday that he doesn't have a problem with homosexuals serving in his cabinet. This was Mr. Holness speaking on Good Morning Britain earlier today.
Would you like personally, as the Prime Minister, to see it decriminalised?
What I would like to see is the process being further opened to bring more people into the discussion. It is a very sensitive issue, but my job as a Prime Minister is to ensure that the human rights of every single person within the country is protected and that the constitutional rights are guaranteed.
It's hard.
He adds that the view on buggery in Jamaica is evolving and the country must be given time to settle the matter. A challenge to Jamaica's buggery law is currently before the court. Courts in Trinidad and Tobago, as well as Belize, have ruled that the buggery law is unconstitutional in their countries.